Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll show you how to turn a single photo into a complete character sheet, and then use that sheet to create multiple scenes. Let's see some demos. I used this girl's photo as the only reference. Krea turned it into a full character sheet. That sheet went into LTX 2.5 with 5 scene prompts, and this is the final multi-scene video. As you can see, the face consistency in this result is excellent. Based on the character sheet I provided, LTX 2.5 maintains a consistent face in every scene. There isn't a single moment where the character's face or body changes. This is a very strong result. For the next test, I used a tougher photo, a girl standing at a bar. Let's see how Krea pulls a clean character sheet from it, then how LTX 2.5 turns that sheet into a multi-scene animation. Here's the character sheet, clean, consistent, and a strong match to the girl in the reference photo. Next up, the multi-scene results from LTX 2.5. That's the point of this workflow. One reference image, one consistent character. The same girl appears in every scene, with her face matching the photo throughout. Pretty incredible. Here's another demo featuring a girl's photo. Let's see how Krea transforms it into a character sheet. Here's the character sheet, clean, consistent, and a strong match to the girl in the reference photo. Next, we'll pass this into LTX 2.5 for the multi-scene video. Watch her move through each scene. Same face, same identity, different locations, but she never drifts from the reference. Now, let's see how a single photo becomes a character sheet, and then how we use that sheet to generate multiple scenes in LTX 2.5. Let's jump into ComfyUI, and I'll show you how it works. This is the complete workflow, split into 2 clear stages. In stage 1, everything runs through Krea. You upload a single reference photo, and Krea, with Identity Edit, turns it into a polished 4-view character sheet, so the face, hair, and outfit stay locked to your original image. In stage 2, that character sheet is passed to LTX 2.5. Using the sheet as the identity reference, LTX generates multiple scenes from your prompts, different locations and actions, but the same consistent character throughout. So the idea is simple. One photo, one character sheet, one multi-scene video. This is stage 1, where we lock the character before any video starts. First, we upload a single reference photo. That's the only image we need. Next, we load the Krea model with the Identity Edit LoRa, so her face stays true to the reference. Then come the face lock controls. Encoding, canvas size, and negative prompts, dudding turns the photo into a form the model can use. The canvas is set wide for a 4-view character sheet, and the negative prompts already filled in. Keep out things we don't want, like the wrong face or a busy background. Krea's character sheet prompt is also ready. It turns that one photo into a clean lookbook. Close-up, front, side, and back. Once the sheet looks right, that output becomes our identity lock and feeds straight into LTX 2.5 for the multi-scene animation. This is stage 2, where the character sheet becomes a multi-scene video. On the left, we load the LTX 2.5 models. The UNet is the main video model. This is what actually generates the motion. The video VAE handles the picture side, encoding and decoding video frames. The audio VAE handles sound, so each scene can have matching ambience. And the LTX clip, based on Gemma, reads your scene prompts, the action, camera, and audio description. In the center is the main node. LTX MSR, multi-scene. This is where the magic happens. First, the character sheet from stage 1 connects here as pick 1. In MSR language, that sheet is image 1, the identity lock, so every scene knows exactly who the character is. Same face, same hair, same outfit. Next, set scene count, how many clips you want. In this workflow, we use 5. Then come the scene prompts. Each prompt controls one short video. You describe 3 things. Image 1, the girl from the character sheet, what she does. Action, location, and camera move audible. The sound you want, like rain, footsteps, or soft music. LTX generates each scene one by one, with video and audio, then stitches them into one sequence. The Lycon MSR LoRa is what helps keep her consistent across those scenes using the sheet as reference. Finally, on the right, Save Video exports the combined result, your multi-scene MP4 with sound. So stage 2 is simple in idea, powerful in result, same character sheet, multiple scene prompts, one consistent animated video. Let's see a live demo. I've already added my image reference and prompts for LTX 2.5 scene by scene. Now, let's see how it works. I won't waste your time. I'll start the generation now and show you the results directly. Here is the final result. As you can see, Krea used my reference image to generate a perfect character sheet. We then pass that character sheet into LTX, where our scenes are already defined. I also want to highlight the new Add Scenes option. Simply keep adding your scenes, and the tool will deliver excellent output. This is how you can generate seamless multi-scene videos. Let's see the result. Notice how the character remains perfectly consistent in every scene. This consistency is essential, and this workflow ensures it stays intact across all your different scenes. If you want this workflow, the download link is in the description. Inside the pack, you'll get setup steps, recommended system specs, and everything you need to run it. Custom node links are included too, plus clear install and usage instructions. It's all organized on GitHub, so you can get started fast. If you'd like to support my journey and see more free tools like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.